How to increase mobile signal strength at home using the WeBoost Home Studio Omni. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you constantly battling dropped calls and frustratingly slow data speeds at home? You're definitely not alone. In this video, we're tackling that problem head-on. We'll show you how to increase mobile signal strength at home using a device that could change everything. The WeBoost Home Studio Omni is a cell phone signal booster designed to amplify your indoor mobile signal. It captures weak outside signals, boosts them, and rebroadcasts a stronger signal inside your home. This means fewer dropped calls, faster data, and a much smoother mobile experience. If you're searching for how to increase mobile signal strength at home, this could be the answer. Let's see what's inside the box. You'll typically find the outdoor antenna, indoor antenna, amplifier unit, power supply, and cables. Also included is a helpful installation guide. We'll walk you through the setup, making it easy to increase mobile signal strength at home. Let's get this system installed and boost your signal. First, find the best outdoor signal. The key to effectively increasing mobile signal strength at home is positioning the outdoor antenna where the existing signal is strongest. This is usually on your roof or an exterior wall. Use a signal strength app on your phone to identify the optimal location. Once you've found the best spot, securely mount the outdoor antenna. Make sure it's pointing away from your house. Next, run the coaxial cable from the outdoor antenna to the amplifier unit. Position the amplifier in a central location within your home. This is where you want the boosted signal to be strongest. Connect the indoor antenna to the amplifier unit. Ensure there's a reasonable distance between the indoor and outdoor antennas. Finally, plug in the power supply to the amplifier and turn it on. The WeBoost Home Studio Omni has indicator lights to show if the system is working correctly. Refer to the user manual for what the different colored lights mean. If you're having issues increasing mobile signal strength at home, the manual has detailed troubleshooting steps. Now for the moment of truth, let's check our mobile signal strength. As you can see, the WeBoost Home Studio Omni has made a significant difference. We've gone from barely any signal to a strong, reliable connection. This means no more dropped calls and faster data speeds. Finally! Investing in a WeBoost Home Studio Omni is a great way to increase mobile signal strength at home. Enjoy a much better mobile experience. The benefits include fewer dropped calls, so you stay connected when it matters most. Also, faster data speeds to stream videos and browse the web without lag. Enjoy improved voice quality for clearer conversations. Send and receive texts and picture messages reliably. The WeBoost Home Studio Omni works with all major US and Canadian carriers. The WeBoost Home Studio Omni is ideal for anyone struggling with weak mobile signal inside their home. This could be due to location, building materials, or distance from cell towers. If you're looking for a reliable solution to increase mobile signal strength at home, this is worth considering. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to weak signal, check out the WeBoost Home Studio Omni. I'll leave a link in the description below. There you can learn more and purchase one for yourself. What are your biggest frustrations with weak mobile signal at home? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss our latest videos.